To use an AI prompt in PowerPoint, go to the AI Assistant at the top of your Templafy task pane. You can browse the different prompts and toggle the view. You can also search for a specific prompt. For example, this slide is missing a title and the text is a little too dense. You can select the slide content and click on Generate Title for the AI Assistant to suggest a strong header. You can also ask the assistant for additional suggestions if needed. Once you find the option you prefer, you can copy it to your clipboard or insert it directly into your document. Templafy AI Assistant will always insert the output where your cursor is placed. Now you can select the text again and click on Bullet It for AI Assistant to transform your text into bullet points instead. When you're happy with the suggestion, click on Use Text to insert it. If you need a new prompt that's not yet available, don't forget to suggest it to your admin team. For further assistance, remember to reach out to internal IT. And there you have it. You're now ready to try it out yourself.